Snap Diagnostics Home Sleep Test Kit arrives at your door ready for use, with everything you need included inside the box. The testing device features a nasal cannula to measure your breathing and snoring, a chest belt to record respiratory effort, and a sensor worn on your finger to measure your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. A power supply cable is available to recharge the battery. We recommend to keep it connected during the test. These sensors should already be connected to the recorder when you receive the test kit. Ensure that all sensors are securely connected to the recorder before use. Press the green power button to turn the recorder on. The chest sensor measures breathing effort through your chest movement. You can adjust the length of the belt to fit by pulling on the ends of the strap. Place the belt around your upper chest between your underarms and breast line with the two ends fastened in front. It should be snug but comfortable. The nasal cannula measures airflow from your nose and mouth. Place the cannula underneath your nose with the shorter pair of prongs resting under your nostrils and the longer pair of prongs pointing down towards your mouth. The headband fits around your head and over the ears. You can pull on the ends of the band to adjust the fit of the cannula. You can test the sensor after wearing it by speaking a sentence or two. The left side of the display screen will show activity when airflow and sound are detected. The third and final connection, the pulse oximetry sensor, goes on your finger. Gently pinch the sides of the sensor to widen the opening and slide your finger in so that your fingertip just reaches the end of the sensor. Within a minute of putting on the sensor, your blood oxygen saturation and heart rate will appear on the right side of the display screen. When you're ready to go to sleep, press the red record button to begin recording. The green light next to the record button will illuminate. Once recording has started, sensor activity will no longer be displayed, and the screen will indicate the available recording time in hours. The testing device is now ready and you may go to sleep. If you need to get up at any time during your test, allow the device to continue recording while you are away. When you wake up in the morning, you can remove the three sensors and start your day as usual. The recording will automatically stop on its own. Follow the same steps when testing for additional nights. Although our home sleep test can be done anywhere, it's recommended you test in your most natural sleep environment. If you have any questions, please call our support team. Thank you for choosing Snap Diagnostics.